Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp. You can see this is my WhatsApp account. Now I am going to open in WhatsApp. Then you can find here there is I'm using dark mode, and you can use dark mode in your Android phone or in your iOS or any kind of phone, cause this dark mode is one kind of features in WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you how you can use it. First of all, you can find here in your WhatsApp home page, at the top of the side you can see here three dot line. So just click on three dot line. Next you can see here new group, new broadcast, WhatsApp web, and started message. Next settings. So just click on settings. Next you can find here that is account, chats, notification. So just click on chats. Next you can find here that is theme. So just click on theme. Right now I'm using dark theme. So if I make it bright, next click on open. It's okay. Right now I am using bright. So if I want to make it dark, so just select dark. Next click on OK. Right now I'm using dark mode. So thank you so much for watching my video.